Witchcraft Little Things. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of these cute Christmas earrings. Not exactly the same as these ones, these little dangly earrings. They're so cute. And I made them using a set I got from BB Crafts, which is linked below. And it was a little kit, and I think it was, let me just tell you how much it was. It was £6.84, or yeah, £6.84, because it was in dollars, so it's a bit of a strange price. And it's a little kit to make, I think, is it 12 pairs of earrings? Anyway, it comes with all these bits and bobs. I've done an unboxing video before. I'm just going to zoom you in a little bit so that you can see what I'm doing. So this time I think I'm going to make the earrings with the little boots. But it does come with snowflakes, a little Santa, big Santas, a couple of snowmen. So you can make pairs of earrings with friends, trees. It's absolutely gorgeous. So all you need some tweezers to sort of hold your ring. I prefer to use these angle tweezers, and again this toolkit, jewellery making toolkit, came from BB Crafts as well. It was part of a big starter kit. If you go, I'll link my unboxing below and then you can go and check that out. So you'll need that, and we're going to need the flat-nosed pliers. These are flat-nosed, these are round-nosed. Okay. And that's about all we need for this one. So in the kit you get the little hanging, dangling bits. You get the jump rings which attach one piece of jewellery to another, or one element to another, and you get the through the ear parts. Now what I would do is, if I was going to sell these or gift these, once I'd made them, I'd just give these a wipe with a hypoallergenic solution. So you're going to need two of those, two of your little dangly bits, and two jump rings. Some people might find it a little bit fiddly to even get these out of the packet. They might want to use the tweezers. Another thing you can use is a little magnetic, little thing with a magnet on the end as well, if you wanted to. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open up these jump rings. If you can see, there's a little tiny join there, and all we do is we open it up and then we thread it through the earring and through the dangly bit, and that's all we have to do. So if you get hold of your earring, of your loop with your tweezers, and then you just get hold of with your pliers, and it will prise apart. You see that? Prized it apart. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to thread that onto there, and I'm going to thread that onto there, and just make sure that they're pointed in the right direction. Okay. And then all you do is you get your pliers again, and you just close it back up and bring those two edges back together. For Christmas, or you can sell them on a little craft market. Okay, so it's as simple as that, and I'll link where you can get the kit from below. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I'm also going to show you how to make a box for these little earrings in a future video, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.